weekends, rising when the sun is already high in the sky. Sleep is something that is an integral part of my health and well-being, so the weekend is the perfect time to splurge on that extra beauty sleep. And of course, I'll do my usual morning routine things like skincare, meditation, and my morning drink. Over the weekend, I switch it out to this mud water, which is a caffeine-free alternative, which is just as delicious. It's like really cinnamony, and I love it. The most special part about my Sundays is I take that day to do a social media detox. This allows me to be fully present and live my life as opposed to watching someone else live theirs. And I think this is really important. I am a full-time content creator, so I'm always on, or I'm always on the internet. So Sunday is a time where I take a break from everything, all the social platforms. And honestly, it's just so nice not even having that impulse to mindlessly open social media, because you know that happens all the time. My designated social media detox day, and it's really liberating. I find that doing this once a week helps me to be grounded, grateful, and present. And then come Monday, I'm excited to connect and dive right in again. Honestly, by skipping out on a day, you don't miss out on anything, and really the benefits are far worth it. It's a very high ROI, y'all. And of course, we have to get into mental well-being, and I do my BetterHelp sessions on Sundays or usually at the top of a week to help me reflect on the past week and get anything off my chest that I needed to talk about. It gives you the opportunity to say out loud and really kind of see what's going on internally. Of course, it's so wonderful to have friends and loved ones to talk to, but it's been really helpful for me to talk to an unbiased professional. I'm a very action-oriented person, so after getting something off my chest, we like to create a plan to work towards something or away from something and have those weekly check-ins. I love that I get to have the sessions in the comfort of my own home. This is where I do my therapy sessions, and this is also where I meditate. So this chair gets a lot of action. It's really great if you guys are really curious to try therapy. I really would recommend BetterHelp. Again, it's just 30-minute sessions, and you can choose a voice call or a video call, and it's been so great. And the self-maintenance that I love, because you know, I feel like I exercise, I read, and it's like, what is the next tier? What is the next thing I can do? And I think with podcasts and reading, I love it so much, as y'all know. But it's not personalized to you. I think having a professional on the other side of it to give you personal feedback and like really talk things through and like really think things through and figure things out on the phone call is just like incredible. So that's my little shirt. So we're about to head out right now to grab a quick coffee with our friends. So on Sundays, I don't wear makeup. I like to give my skin a break. But you know what, I want to add just like that little bit of color. I love using this Ilia multi-stick. So I have 2 of these. So this brand is Clean, which I love. So this shade is literally one of my favorites. It's I Put a Spell on You. As you can see, I've finished it, but I think for olive skin tone, this is so beautiful. It's just like this really fresh and bright peach color. And then I have this other one called Olive Me, and this is more of a pink color. I'm literally running out of this, but I'm just going to use a little bit, and this is just like where I like to dab it. It's just like on my cheeks for a little bit of color, even though I don't wear makeup. You know, when we just want like a little touch. So easy, a little bit of color. I love this from Augustina Spader. Also done with it. I wear this one in the morning. And then I have so many of these Cosa Sport ones. I love the one in Rush. That's like a really beautiful color. This is just baseline, it's no color. Which is perfect for wearing out. And that's it. And we're just gonna head out and grab some coffee. You need your groceries because it's Sunday. We have to like meal plan and plan for the week. Girl, I don't know what is up with this lighting. It's making me look so pale. Like, maybe we can see the blush color a little better here. It's really subtle. It looks really natural. It just looks like I have a little bit of color. Picked up lunch from Erewhon, or Kellen actually picked it up. This is the white bean kale avocado salad. This is so yummy. I get it every single time. And then I got this cucumber tuna roll. I actually thought this was something else. There's like this open-faced cucumber one that's delicious. Try these cucumber tuna rolls. I don't know what's up with the lighting. It's so yellow. This is my entertainment when I'm eating my lunch. So on Sundays, we like to prep our meals for the week ahead. And the best thing ever has been one sheet baking. Like in the name, you just stack on everything in one sheet, pop it in the oven. Everything is so delicious, and there's actually so many options you can do. So we're about to head to the market, so I'm running through a couple of things. Honestly, I need to know more about this because this looks insanely good. So I'm just gonna compile a market list based on some of the things that we want to make. Okay, so here we have our market list. So we are doing overnight oats and salads for lunch, and then one sheet baking for dinner. So these are all the ingredients. So it helps definitely to compile a market list, or else I start grabbing random stuff, which I will still inevitably do. So this is the running list. Another one of my favorite lip balms is this Summer Fridays one. It has the perfect gloss. It's not sticky. Has a little bit of a nudish color. This is just in my bag at all times. But making a grocery list saves a lot of time and energy and money during the week when we're working, so we don't have to think about what we're going to eat or make, and don't resort to ordering food on the fly. Also, if you plan out your meals in advance, I found it much better because there's not like a surplus of ingredients that go to waste, and you can kind of shop accordingly. Ooh, these wraps are so yummy. We just found out about these. Sprouted 7 whole grain wraps. Ooh, favorite yogurt brand. Of course, cereal, Honey Nut Cheerios, my favorite. We got these, and then we got these ingredients for overnight oats. Loads of fruits and veggies. Excuse me. And on Sundays, we'll take Willow on a longer walk together. It's an easy way to get our bodies moving and spend some time soaking in the sun and outdoors. Sometimes we'll walk to our favorite bakery and grab some goodies on the way home, or we'll just walk through some of our dream neighborhoods, you know, manifest. And of course, Sundays are a great day to clean. I mean, I just love cleaning in general. I think it's super therapeutic. I love a clean, organized, peaceful home, especially since I work from home. So I make sure to set myself up for success by keeping my home and office clean and ready to work for the week ahead. Doesn't a clean space just make you feel better? Clean out any clutter that happens, because you know there's that one chair, that one shelf that always accumulates stuff. So make sure to clean all that so we have a great, fresh start to the week. I love to take a really nice hot bath. It's so nice to decompress. You literally feel like a new person afterwards. I do the whole shebang. I do my hair mask, my body scrub, all of it. It just feels like a great luxury to end the week and start the week. Yeah, Kellen was really awkward with the fact that I was recording, but it is what it is.